Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is the winner announcement for my Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle that I do with Johana from JM Unboxing and More. And Smudge is right down here. You can't see him, but he keeps banging on me, so I've got to pet him. So y'all, I have the winner, and Johana has her winner as well. And this was our 19th battle. And if y'all don't know Johana, if you're new to me, if you don't know Johana yet, please go see her, JM Unboxing and More, and I'll have her in the description for you to find her. If you have any trouble, please ask me because you'll really like her channel. She's such a sweet lady and she opens lots and lots of things. And she especially loves Fab Fit Fun, and she gets a bunch of mystery bundles. But she does a mystery bundle battle with me usually about once a month, but we're gonna sort of taper off a little bit. We're gonna skip December because of the holidays, and there's so many videos that'll be going up. So, but she still has some that she can unbox for you that she's gonna be doing probably, because she gets a bunch of them. She loves Fab Fit Fun so much. She gets, I think she has 3 separate subscriptions. So she gets 3, and I think she customizes each of them. And she likes to get the uncustomized boxes and everything. She is crazy about Fab Fit Fun, but she's got a big family. So she uses a lot of the items for gifts. And and that is wonderful about Fab Fit Fun. You're gonna pay, I'm pretty sure now it's $59.99 a quarter if you are seasonal. Now I forget the pricing. I should know this to tell you, but I'll have a link below if you'd like to join. I think you save $10 or $15 if you join under me. If you join annually, which is what I am and what Johana is, we get to pick all 6 categories from all 6 categories. And if you're a seasonal member, then you just pick, I think it's 4 categories, and Fab Fit Fun picks 2 for you, which is still nice because the products have a good value to them. And no matter what you get, if you can't use it, you'll surely have someone in your life that can use it, or you could use it as a gift. Again, I'm annual, so I pick Smudge. Would you sit? Anyway, so let's get on to the winner. So my winner is Tired and Cranky. And Tired and Cranky does not have a channel, but her name is Dante. And she's just a great subscriber. She comments a lot, and I think she goes and watches a lot of different channels. So please congratulate her in the comments. And as soon as Smudge sits down, his fur comes right up into my face, y'all. We really enjoy having y'all here for these battles. Look for our next one in January. It's going to be our 20th battle, y'all. So 20. So we're going to maybe do it a little bit differently. Maybe have something, we're going to make it special since it's 20. So look for that in January. You know, that'll be after the holidays and when people are sort of pooped out and, bored. So maybe we'll brighten you up a little bit with our battle. So, okay. So thanks for stopping by. And like I said, go see Johana. You'll really like her. Her channel, she does a lot of different unboxings, and she just loves Fab Fit Fun. And it's just so much fun to work with her because when we do these battles, what we like to do is just show you what we get, of course, and then you all vote on it. And we like to find the pricing because they say that the value of the bag should be $100 or more. And most of the time they are. I have had a bag or 2 that's been under $100. I've had some that were like 101, but I've had some, y'all, that have been a couple of $100 value. So they're $29 a piece. You have to be a member. You can be a seasonal member, or you can be an annual member to buy a mystery bundle. And sometimes they even have them on sale once in a while. They have them like 2 for, I don't even know, 2 for, it's not 29, maybe $55, something like that. So every now and a great while. Sometimes they even have 3 for 1 price. Just you gotta watch the sales. So anyway, I hope y'all are having a great holiday time. We are now into November with the holiday. Thanksgiving's coming, Christmas is coming. So I know a lot of y'all are busy shopping. And if that's something that you're interested in at all, Fab Fit Fun would make a great gift. And like I said, even if you're a member, if you can't get it for someone to buy it each season. You might buy them one season and let them know that they can continue if they want to. Or if you get it for yourself, you can find at their sales, you can find so many products that are reduced in price, and they're nice quality products that you can get for gifts. A lot of us do that. We shop for gifts on Fab Fit Fun. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Y'all, I forgot to tell you that Johana won this battle. You know, my bag was awful. The items themselves were just, you know, individually they were probably okay, but I got those hair doohickeys that were valued at $38. No, like they would be from the Dollar Tree for 3 of them. But my bag was not the best box. There were a couple of good products in there and some things that y'all did like the hair oil, and I had a vitamin C cream that was valuable, you know, some things like that. But Johana won. I can't believe it, but I think I got 5 votes. You know, we get like about almost 200 votes, 150 to 200 votes on these battles. And a lot of times it's neck and neck, or we might have 5 or 10 more than each other. But no, everybody voted for Johana, and I don't blame you one bit, y'all, not one bit. Not one bit. So I am proud of my 5 votes. When I saw my first vote, I was like, what, are you crazy? Did you really watch Johana's video? So I ended up with 4 or 5 votes. I can't remember. I'll take the 5 because I can't remember. But thank y'all so much for participating. That's the most fun, is that y'all are participating with us. So, and you enjoy it. And it's just fun to do the giveaways, y'all. Take care. Come on over. Coming over? Okay. Well, if you're going to come over, you've got to sit. Oh, I can tell you that, but you don't listen. You sit. Sit down.